Okay, today for January 7th for ELA, you will continue to read Justine McKean, Queen of Green, Walk the Talk. You will read chapters 4, 5, and 6 in both texts. And you will come over here, and if you need to, click the blue link, hyperlink there to watch the video about character traits. Okay, click the link here to watch the link about theme. Okay. On slide 2, after you have finished reading, you're going to use page 20 from the text. And you can have Get Epic open. And I want you to explain how author uses illustrations to emphasize character traits. Okay? How does the author use the illustration to describe Blazo's character traits? So you have to look at the picture and write a complete sentence and tell me how the author describes Blazo using character traits. Okay. Then you are going to watch the video about mood. Okay. To find out what emotion does the author create on page 20. So what mood does the author create on page 20? You will type one word in there. Okay. Might be sad, suspenseful, humorous. Okay. How did the author use the text and illustration to create the mood? Okay. You need to write a complete sentence here. How did the author use the text and illustration, the words and the pictures to create the emotion? What did the author do? Okay. So you have to fill in the blank there. Okay. Please make sure you watch the videos. On slide 3, I want you to explain how an author uses illustrations to emphasize aspects of the setting. Okay, so remember the setting is where the story takes place. So I want you to answer this question. What is the setting? Answer in a complete sentence. Okay, look at the picture. Look at the illustration and tell me, where does the story take place? Okay, how do you know? Use specific details from the illustration. What do you see in the picture that helps you know what the setting is? Answer using complete sentences, please. Okay, you will have to use the magnifying glass to make the image bigger so you can see it. So you just blow it up to 200 and then it'll give you a better view of what the different details are in the illustrations here. Okay, please make sure you read the text. If not, you will probably get your answers wrong. You have 3 chapters, 4, 5, and 6 to read today. Okay, on slide 4. On slide 4, okay, we're talking about theme. What is the message or the lesson that the author wants you to take away from the story? So you ask yourself the following questions to get to the theme. What did the characters learn? How did the characters grow? And common themes in stories are about courage, okay, which means bravery, honesty, telling the truth, love, friendship, forgiveness, loyalty, hope, equality, hard work, and teamwork. Okay, so you're going to explain how key details from the text, okay, help you to identify the message in the story, the theme of the story. And you can click the link here to watch a video on what is theme if you're not sure. Okay. So what is the theme of Walk walk the talk. Justine McKean and walk the talk. What is the theme? Okay, how explain how key details from the text help to identify the theme of the story. So what details does the author use to explain what the theme is? Okay, the author uses blank, blank, and blank details to tell what the message is in the story. So you're going to have to read in order to understand what that might be. Then the last thing you're going to do on slide 5, you're going to compare and contrast the themes and settings, the plots of stories to tell how they are similar. So how are the themes, settings, and plots of both stories, how they're the same and how they are different? In this case, they want you to, yes, that's what you're going to do. Okay, so you're going to fill in these sentence text box here to answer the questions. The settings of text in a series can be alike or different. The setting in Queen of Green is similar to Walk the Talk because, okay, how are the settings in both stories the same? Okay, but how are the settings different? Okay, but the settings are different because fill in the blanks in the text boxes. All you have to do is double click and the little cursor pops up so that you can type in the boxes. Okay. All right, so I explained the directions for the assignment for today. Good luck.